How to remove YouTube recommendations on phone. For that, you have to open any browser and open the site of YouTube. Just you can search youtube.com on the web address bar, then easily get access to this page. Then after that, tap on profile icon at the top right corner of the screen. Here you need to tap on your data in YouTube. Once you're on this section, you need to scroll down and you need to find out manage your YouTube history. Just tap on it. Then after that, you need to tap on delete button. You need to tap on delete all time. So this action will disable YouTube features that rely on YouTube history to personalize your experience. Tap on delete button at the bottom right corner of the screen. Now tap on got it. Once you have done that, you can easily remove YouTube recommendations on phone. That's it for today. I hope this video was helpful. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.